The importance of early correction of the jaw. We completely refuse the recommendation of some doctors that they are asking to leave your kid until he is 18 or until he replaces his all milk teeth. We here not touching the teeth, we are correcting the jaw. In this case, we are not correcting only regarding the appearance because it's due to muscles weakness actually, which leads to tilting of the head. So as a rule, we have retruded mandible, we have tilted head. And after 1.5 years of correction, the mandible has engaged his right position, and you can see the normal posture of the head because of restoring the muscle's strength. By x-rays, we can find 8 millimeter retruded mandible, and also it's always accompanied by narrowing of the airways because of the muscles and the tongue surrounding tissues are being pushed backward, narrowing the airway. And also, we can see always tilted head because of the muscle disturbance due to retruded mandible. After treatment, the mandible has engaged the right position. We have more wide airway and we have straight head because we restored the normal balance of the muscles. So it's very important to start such a treatment at early stages.